Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about JavaFX. JavaFX is a platform for creating and delivering rich internet applications. Earlier we are having a Swings, so it was replaced by JavaFX. So it is also contains the same components which are in Swings, but here we can able to add the more effects like CSS, XML, so that your web page will be looking attractively. So next, JavaFX was initially a scripting language, but starting from version 2.0, it is a native Java library. JavaFX 2.x doesn't support Solaris or mobile phones, but it plans to support ARM processor in future versions. So basically we are having a different types of processor. So in that ARM is also one of the particular process. Applications include GUI interfaces and it supports 2D, 3D games, animations, touch-enabled apps and multimedia. The advantages are hardware accelerated graphics, high performance media engine and built-in user interface controls. JavaFX is expected to replace Swing, but both will remain in Java distributions. It depends upon user by which necessity of your project includes, so that you can able to select either JavaFX or Swings. Requirements of JavaFX development. JavaFX 2.25 libraries are bundled with JDK 7U11. So this is the particular user interface where you need to download for JavaFX. For example, the browsers which is going to support are Internet Explorer 7 and higher versions. If you are going to consider Firefox 3.6 and higher version, so if you are going to consider a Chrome, so latest version of the Chrome, and if you are using a Mac OS, so Safari 5.1 and the latest version of browsers. Graphics that support are NVIDIA, ATI, Intel. So these are the specific processor so that supports, and also you can able to see NVIDIA is a basically graphical interface, so which is going to installed in your system, so to play high graphic games. IDE support, so it is having a IDE support, NetBeans, Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. So these are supported by the IDEs for JavaFX. Open NetBeans. From file menu you can able to choose the project in JavaFX application, so that you can able to choose the category JavaFX application and you can able to click the next. So let us see by opening the particular NetBeans. So here we are having a NetBeans. I am going to create a file new project. So the type of the project is, so here Java with Ant I have selected JavaFX. So here I am going to select the JavaFX application. So if I am going to click next, so here it is going to see so which particular project it is loading. So before that, so we will go for this one. The key JavaFX classes. Application. Entry point for any JavaFX application, it is having a life cycle methods. Basically, applet is having a life cycle: init, start, paint, stop, destroy. You are having a repaint method also. If you want to use, you can able to use. So here we are using a init, start and stop methods which are used in JavaFX classes. Stage. Stage includes top level container for the application. Top level container like a theater stage. So for example, you are having a panel and a frame. So in a similar manner, here it is having a stage which is going to have a center of attraction when you are going to create a JavaFX classes. Scene. Container for all user interface components organized in a scene graph. It contains scene graph with nodes, for example, layout, controls and shapes. So we are having a different layouts Example, flow layout, grid layout, box layout, border layout, and so on. So like that, here you can have a different types of controls. So for example, text box, radio button, and all these things, whatever the fields you are going to have include. So you can able to use a mouse events, all the things, and shapes. So you can able to draw circle, draw rectangle, draw pentagon, so draw oval. So several shapes are also included among the scene. Next, scene graph. It is a hierarchical root node at the top with children underneath. So for example, graph means, so you will be having a root node, so it will be having a two childrens. So like that, it will be keep on continuing, so up to the leaf node. So like that, it is having a UI components. So here we are having an example program. So here these are the specific packages which we are importing. The first one is javafx application. So it identifies the javafx application, and here already we have discussed scene. So where you can able to create a different scenes among the javafx control. So for example, here if you don't know, you can able to specify scene.star. So it includes all the particular scene packages. So here these particular scene control label, layout, and scene. So these particular things include the javafx stream, and here we have also include the javafx stage. So for example, if you doesn't know what kind of thing you are using, so what we are doing is generally import java.util.star. So basically this is the package which you are going to import. In a similar manner, so here we can able to import javafx.star. So it means it contains all the applications. So this particular package is enough instead of including all these particular 5 packages. So now let us start the program. So the name of the class is HelloWorld. It extends from the particular parent class, so which is an application. So basically here application is mentioned in this particular javafx. So in that particular package itself, it is having a inbuilt application. So just we need to do is, here we are using a extends. So what it relates is, so extend is going to relate the particular child class hello world with the parent class application. So here we have created a public static void main string array arguments. Here we are going to create a particular method launch arguments. So the launch arguments is a method which invokes whatever the life cycle of the particular javafx is going to start. So already we have mentioned javafx application will be starting from the start method. So whatever the arguments are mentioned inside the start, so will be uh, return to the main. So now we are going to set the stage, primary stage, set a title. So among the stage we are going to set the title. Name of the title is hello world. So beside that we are going to create a label. So label object equal to new label. So the argument inside the label is say hello world. So now here we are going to create a stack pane. The object of the stack pane is root, and here we have create a new stack pane. So the basic thing is, so how you are going to create an object. So that is very common in Java. How you are going to create an object for class name space object equal to new class name. So this is particular thing is a basic thing. So whatever the text field you are creating, whatever the radio button you are creating, whatever the stack pane label, whatever the thing you are going to creating. So here we have given defined in the label. Label is an object, in stack pane root is an object. So like that we are going to create a number of objects. The next step what we are going to do is, root is an object. By using a root, so we are going to get the children, whatever the labels are there, we are going to add the label. So labels will be added on the particular stage. So here we are going to get the root So root is the parent and we are going to get the children. So we are going to consider label as a children. Next, primary stage dot set scene equal to new scene. So now here among the scene, so we have included the root whose dimensions are specified 300 and 250. This is the size of the window. So next we have specified primary stage dot show. The show method is going to invoke so the all the particular things which are included, so that particular things are shown on the particular scene. So let us compile this particular program. So now what you need to do is, so you need to download the javafx zip. So javafx zip. So if you are going to search in Google, so you can able to download the particular file, the javafx zip. So you can able to download that particular javafx runtime, and here the particular details and updates when it was mentioned. So here it has shown different type of particular modules supported. javafx 22. So name of the operating system Windows. Select architecture 64-bit. So type SDK. So now you need to download that particular zip file. So now zip file has been downloaded. In order to check the uploaded files, what we are doing is, so go to the tools and select the particular libraries, add library. So now I am going to name the library name javafx. So click on OK. So now what you need to do is you have to add the particular jar files which where you have downloaded. So basically I have added a particular two files which belongs to jar. So first one is I am going to select, and what I am doing is I need to extract that particular files. So what I am doing is I am going to select that particular files, so it is not going to add. So because I am going to open the rar file, so what I need to do is I need to select the particular files where I have extracted. So basically I have extracted in the javafx pack. So if you go to javafx pack folder, so there are two particular folders which I have downloaded. One is javafx and another one is from Zulu. So in library, select all the jar files. So now I have clicked OK. The next what you need to do is you have to go to the particular options. So now you need to select the particular libraries and you need to add the go to the platform. So instead of libraries, you need to go to the Java platform. So now you need to click the add platform. So now Java standard edition, click on next. So in that you need to select the Zulu 21.36.17. So select that particular folder. So now click next. So now you need to check the whether the particular files are added in the library or not. So here you need to remove that particular one. So because already I have added, so now I am going to click the remove platform, or and if you and later on I have clicked the add platform. So now here what you are going to add is, so the particular library which is selected is JDK 17. So now another platform you need to add, so Java standard edition, click on next. So select the Zulu 21. So click on next. Now you need to name the JDK 21. So JDK 21 is the default package which is available in that one. So select that one and click on finish. So once if you are going to click the finish, the particular thing will be added. The error which is occurring during the loading the javafx, so that one will be resolved. So the libraries are added successfully. So in libraries you have added a javafx, so that also added successfully. So now what I am doing is I am going to create a particular project. So now this is the particular project which I have uh, seen. So whatever the things are loaded in the javafx, so that one is shown here. So now the earlier error was occurred. So what you need to do is you need to follow this particular steps. So here you need to check the particular errors. If the errors are occurring, you need to follow these particular steps. So now I am going to create a work directory and in the javafx. So now here I have created a work directory in javafx. So what I need to do is I need to create a particular program. So now here source packages are there. So next I need to click a new. So Java class under the particular application, Java application 1. Under application I have to uh, create. So click on the application Java new application 1. So now you can able to click on new class. So Java class, the name of the class is hello world. Click on finish. So this is the program. Now I am going to copy the entire program which I have explained. So now I am going to paste that particular program. So now what I am doing is running that particular program. So now I have run the program. So let us see whether any errors are there or not. Now it is taking time to compile the source file. So now the file has been successfully compiled. So it has shown the message hello world. Let us see how to run the program in command prompt. So now I am going to clear the screen. So I am going to show the particular path which I am going to show. So that particular path you need to follow. Basically, this is the particular path. So this particular step you need to follow. So now here what I have done is I am going to save the program, save as in under the Java programs. So now already I have saved the particular program. So now what I am going to type is here you are having a particular path related to the program. So what you need to do is you have to type the particular path of the Java program. So you need to go to the work directory where you have created manually. So in that you need to type the javac double hyphen module path. So the module path is where you have extracted that particular jar files. So until that up to library you have to copy the path and you have to add the modules. So where you have created the particular which files are necessary, javafx control, javafx fxml, these are necessary files. So you have to compile program HelloWorld.java and you are going to execute the class file which is hello world. So that is the class name. So now what we are doing is we are going to compile the program from the command prompt. I have opened the command prompt. So now I have pasted the particular path which I have compiled. So now the program has compiled successfully without error and I have created a class file. So now I have run the program by class name. So the program has run successfully in the command prompt. So in this way you can able to execute in command prompt. So what are the UI controls? So JavaFX UI controls. The JavaFX UI controls are nodes in a scene graph. So it is common to the controls, label, button, radio button, checkbox and etc. We are having a different type of fields where we are using a in forms. Choice box. So choice box means you can have a different multiple choice. So next text field where you are going to enter your name, roll number and other kind of things. Password field. So this will not show whatever you are typing. So it will be showing dots or star. Next scroll bar. You can able to scroll your mouse or top to bottom or left to right. List view. It will be showing in the ordered list and unordered list view. Next combo box you will be having similar to your drop down button. Next progress bar, it shows how much it is loaded. So before we are installing JavaFX, it has shown progress bar 100%. Next slider, so where you can able to slide the particular icons. Next, file chooser, if it is used to upload the different files from your my computer. Next, layout panes in Java. So here we are having a different layouts. So these are the different layouts which is supported in these things. It is also offered. So border pane, flow pane, grid pane, and so on. So next, stack pane contains, it overlays the children. So if you are going to consider Hello World program, we have used a stack pane so that it overlays whatever the children are specified, that will be specified. So it is similarly used to get all the elements from the stack will be popped up. Next, grid pane. So it organizes children like a grid like structure. So basically a grid will be organized in the ordered manner, so where you can able to specify all the layouts in the frame. So next, here we are having a different type of layout supported by border layout, grid layout, flow layout, and box layout, so and so on. So what are the other layouts are there? So all the layouts are supported, which are supported inside the Swing. Next, javafx event handling. So it supports the event handling. So there are two different types of events basically used in PC. That one is a mouse event and keyboard event. So keyboard means any key you are going to press in the keyboard, for example Control C, so that one will be there. Mouse event means you are having a left click, right click and scroll bar, or you are going to place your mouse over, so that are the mouse events. So next, touch event. So touch event means, so you are going to touch a specific event. So basically for touch pads, mobiles, so other kind of things it will be used. So next, gesture event. So gesture event means there are different type of gestures, so where you can able to guess that particular event. For example, captures. So or you are having a image gestures. So select the vehicles among the captures. So like that, here you can have a gesture event. Next, animation in JavaFX. JavaFX supports animation through transitions. You can create animation properties in like position, color, and rotation. Example, moving a circle vertically and changing its color. So now what you need to do is, so you need to extract files. So extract files. So you need to select the path. So what we need to do is, if you are going to get an errors, we have to download the javafx zip file from the particular website, and after downloading you put in the jdk folder. Next step is, first the click to manage the platform and click on add a platform. So next, after clicking on add platform, it will ask for a file name. So give the particular path till the jdk folder. So after giving the path, click on the next and it will ask the platform name, and select the particular platform source.zip. So after finishing the button, you will see a new platform, it will be added to the same. So next, give the folder javafx.zip, so that it will be saved in the jdk folder. After closing it, so click on the javafx platform, in that you will see the platform name is there or not. So then you are going to create a project. So next program is drawing a circle. So here already I have told so how to include all these particular things. So here we have added the particular sixth package. So scene layout anchor pane. So already I have told, so javafx.start is enough. So now the class name of the class name is javafx circle. It extends from the particular application which we have mentioned in the particular package. So here itself we have mentioned the Java application. The name of the method is start. The arguments it is accepting is stage. So now, so within this particular program, here you have written the public static void main. So initially the program starts from main. So whenever it is found launch arguments, so it will be starting from the method called start. So till the end of the program it will be running. So here we have created an circle object C equal to new circle, and whose coordinates are 250, 50 and 50. So next we are going to fill the particular circle object. C is an circle object, set fill, color is green. So the circle will be fitted in the green color. So now we are going to use a anchor pane. So the anchor pane is initiated in the import package anchor pane by using a scene layout. So anchor pane is a particular pane which we have imported. So they have created an object for root. Root is an object for anchor pane, and we have created an instance new anchor pane. So now by using the root object, we are going to get the children, and we are going to add the object C. What is C? C is a circle. It will be filled in the green color, that will be added on the anchor pane. So now we are going to create a scene. So scene object is also scene. So now the scene should be created in the particular black color. So color is black and whose coordinates are 50, 50. So now the root is added to the particular scene. So the scene should be shown, that one will be added in the black color. So next, we are having a stage which is having a center of attraction. So by using the stage dot set title javax circle demo. So next, stage dot set scene. So we are going to set the scene on the particular stage, and again we are going to insert the method stage dot show. Let us see how the output will work. Next, drawing a circle. So this particular program I am going to create a circle. So now here I am going to run the file. So now after running the file, so here you can able to see the circle has been rounded at the middle. So now I am going to change the coordinates. So 250 is I will keep as it is, and I will change the coordinates 50 50 to the value will be changed. So I will rename this particular values 50 50 to 150 150 now, so that I will run the program that will be affected to the particular program. So 150 150 has been typed, and I am going to run the program. So you can able to notice that the particular circle has been in the middle, so it is in green color. Like that, by changing the coordinates by using the javafx, you can able to create and run the programs effectively. Next, creating a circle with animation. So earlier we have set the circle only, but in order to set the circle with animation, we are using a different packages. Up to here it was in a previous program only. So but here we have added some additional things. So javafx animation. So animation we are going to add. So first one is fill transition. Transitions means it is going to affect how you are going to transform the particular slide content. So next, translate transition and parallel transition and util duration. So how much duration the transition should be existing on the animated one. So already we have set in the previous program the color is green color. So next, here the transition starts. So here we have initiated the fill transition. The name of the object is fill. So we have created a new fill transition. Here we have mentioned the duration, which is 500 milliseconds. So the duration is 500 milliseconds. So next we have set the particular fill value, so to blue. So next, translation. So we are using this particular translate transition, so that here also we are going to create an object for the translate transition. The object name is translate. So here we are going to set the duration also 500 milliseconds. So now here we are going to set the translate dot set transition element. So the particular duration is 200 milliseconds. So next, here we are inserting the parallel transition, so which will be shown in the parallel manner. So here we have taken the circle object C. So C is an circle object, so which we have taken here, and fill and translate. What are the fill and translate object? Fill contains transition 500 milliseconds, and translate is going to have a 500 milliseconds. So where it will be set in the particular color blue, and the particular dimension was added. So next, transition dot set cycle count. So it will be count is indefinite. So until user is interrupted, it will be keep on. going. So next, transition auto reverse equal to true. So if it is going from left to right, and right to left will be also done. So transition dot play. So whenever user is going to insert, it will be playing. So now we need to create a scene and add to the scene. So new scene. So now here we are animating the scene background. Color is black, and we are going to set the title, and we are going to set this scene and stage dot show, so that we are going to show the particular transition among the elements. Circle with the animation. So if you are going to see the circle with the animation, so the circle will be loaded. So now what I have done is I am going to change the particular color to orange. So if you are going to change the particular color to orange, you can able to notice that particular color has been changed. The bouncing was in blue and orange, so that you can able to change the different colors, and if you depending upon your needs, and you can able to make a custom animations by using this particular java fx. Next, event handling. So event handling means what? So we are going to have a mouse click, keyboard click, or mouse over. All the things are event. So if you want to handle the event, so here also we have added the different packages. So name of the class is javafx event. So it also extends from the particular application. So now here we have set the primary stage. So next, text field, we have initiated a text field. So whose particular length is 0. So 0 means the initial capacity is 0. So now by using a text object, so we have created a text size of 20 characters or 20 numbers or whatever. So next, its length is 20. So next, label we have initiated. So it label will be beside the text field. So equal to new label. Label dot set font, new font. It is having a capacity 25. So we have created one button. So the name of the button is click to add one. So we are going to click a button. It will be adding one element. So button dot set font 20. So 20 is the size of the particular font. Click to add one. So by using a button object, so btn is an button object, and set on action. So event handler. So where we are using a generic event, action event. So whenever you are using this kind of symbol, we will be using the generics. So now we are going to have a particular method void handle action event, so that whenever event is encountered, this method will be initiated. So now integer value equal to integer dot parseInt. So get a text. So whatever the text field you have entered inside, so the text box. So what is txt? Txt is an object of the text field. So that one, the particular thing you have entered will be converted into the integer, and it will be stored under the value. So next, increment the value. So next, label. So label dot set text integer to string. So it will be transferred. So integer to string. So integer dot parseInt means you have converted a text to integer, and here you have converted a integer to string to set the particular value. So next, here you are going to add the vbox root. So now vertical box will be added. So now we are going to get the root is going to get the children all from the button, label, and text box. So three things we have incorporated: text, button, and label are the objects. So btn is an object, label is an object, and similarly text is an object. So these three fields we have included. So next we are creating a scene, and where you are adding the root to the scene, and you are going to set the stage, and the title is javafx event demo, and primary stage you are going to add the scene, and primary stage the show. In the main method, as usual, you are going to have a only one particular method you are using, launch arguments. So where it is going to start the life cycle from the void start. See the next particular program, event handling. So where we have renamed the coordinates text box, and next button, and adding the one to every value. So the value has been changed to 100 to 101 and so on. Next, JavaFX Scene Builder. JavaFX Scene Builder is a graphical tool for designing user interfaces. It generates Java XML file that describes the layout and Java code handles that logic. The Scene Builder assists with anchoring controls, setting layout properties and managing complex interfaces. Using fxml in javafx, so you can use a extensible markup language in the java fx, so that you interact with the application to application by using the xml. The controller handles the interaction logic. So here you made be knowing, so xml you can able to define the user defined language. So here you can able to define vbox. The elements inside the vbox are text, label and button. So these are the three fields which we have entered in the xml. So first one is a text field, object is fx, and again we have created a button field fx and label field fx followed by id. So here we have given a text number, button click and a label number. So here we have added a particular 4 packages which is from javafx. So next, name of the class is javafx app controller. So just we have created a private text field, object we have defined, text number, so which is we have defined in the text field of xml. So next, label number. Next, button. So button should be clicked. So button contains button click. So whenever action event is performed, so now it is going to show the text. So integer dot parseInt number dot get text. So text number dot get text. So whatever the content inside the text field is there, so whatever the user has entered, that text will be retrieved. Similarly, here label number dot get the value from integer to string. So whatever the id is there, so that one will be shown in this particular program. So this is all about javafx. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.